Every time now, so my person will upon me go they disturb me. More no nyari msobu. Eh? No so you go they give me wahala. What did I do? Today, I go make you king of mad people. Nonsense.
Oluwa,
Mpa.
Oluwa, where you come leave me? Come leave me inside the room. Come on.
Igwe and the council members.
Council Kwago. Let this happen in here. What away? Oluwa boy.
Mpa.
Is in here. Eh? I hear you, Ramia, Cabin in that water. Because time I push out, find me the cloth where they send me.
The clothes where I buy for you. The clothes good.
Which kind of cloth good? Every day we rope all over the body. Oluwa boy. Oluwa. Why did you keep me quiet?
Because I am the Guna. No, let's put up on you. See the better clothes why I give me now.
You see how we shall come.
Yeah, oh Lord, TV.
And then you Lord, don't make a home. So go follow me, Sacco, and don't keep them there. You give Lord them what will have man. Olua boy. Olua. I like it. I want to move me. You keep me quiet too much. I don't like it. You know me, I like the man who need a warrior.
Mpa, you know here now, all new fashion on board. As you waka for road now, any person will see you now go they like you.
Also,
any person will see you now go like you.
Which you can't like a bit that one. A lot of which I did I come to this world for people to like me, so don't give me money. Buy me Igwe, come back from London. I want to go see our king.
I'm gonna make I explain give you now. You see this one now, You see Odum, The lion. That place where they yogre. Nine be this now. You see this one, and at the down below.
Of Odum,
yes.
Now everything what we are not
Odum. Actually, they walk up for road now. People go they clap for you.
Now what you go tell me? Lock the door, let me go. Why let you lock the door? You do slow.
If I see, if you walk up for road now, you go they run.
Oh, I go come drum. I don't draw to you. I don't draw to him. I don't know where I
don't to go out. I don't do the fashion. We bring down the fashion.
They're not the two drum.
No, you go the drum small. Do I like?
Papa shoes I come. I go local to Proka. Do
pata. Mpajua ton. Take a easy ton. They like this.
God have mercy upon us.
Why they laugh? I want love door. Lock the door, never hear you.
No, Tom. No, we go follow like this, come on. Don't they like this.
Message, 2 people tell me
Escalation.
Let's go because I don't like Igwe go things are the too slow. Let's go ngwa. Let us go now. We need to go ngwa.
Waka where na?
I know to don't get some waka. You talk too much.
Igemera. I want to get na do you.
Nga talking dog.
Draw down.
Take a go so close where they draw. Now draw 2 people go so for me.
I take you make it. Ngwa.
I don't like continue. You drag me too much. I don't like you.
See go down.
Why you go drag me here? You drag me here. Don't go anywhere.
Why you want make people they come here?
Why people not go come? Maybe you say now you shall come. You show don't not do them. Now you take away me. Now you don't complain too much. I hate you.
Yeah, people they walk now.
Where down. Where down, one. On work on one.
On working wine.
Look at why.
Had their bone.
Una where down. Small no kwam. Una mama uncle.
Mpane Koku.
No, okay,
deaf and dumb. Look, we dey go.
Don't drag me too much. Oluwaboy. Oluwa. Oluwa. I don't like you at all.
Bring her down. Bring her hand. If you reach for Igwe place, you go see as Igwe go dey greet you. Igwe go dey greet you, go say, "Oh,
Ezanya Kudo.
Ezanya Kudo."
You go greet me.
He go greet you.
Him to get you. Actually, she London. You go London, my king.
Ha!
See Ezanya Kudo.
You go see as they go dey.
I like too much. I got.
You are picking me too much.
I don't like you. You too talk. This boy. You too talk. I don't like you.
God have mercy upon us.
Ije meto ishago o. Ije meto ishago yi. Make we go. Go and down. Make we do one thing before people go to watch you. Just give me one step. Where you go. One step.
Step, I'm put where step.
Put that like this, like this. Turn small. Turn again.
Oluwa,
Empa. Oya, just waka small.
Make I waka.
Waka come on.
As I go take waka for Igwe place.
Yes.
Oluwa.
You don't do. I am make we dey go.
Are you there, cry?
Make we dey go.
I don't get too late. You take me run too serious. You take me run too serious. This is why you take me run too serious. Oh, I don't like you. Oh. Oluwa boy.
Empa.
Any hakuna ba akwa. Akwa na akwala. You don't make my head. You don't knock for one.
Now why you dey run?
You don't play. You take me. They run too speed. You don't too speed. Too much speed at all. I don't like it.
I'm a papa that also. I will not carry you. You don't go get your one like Igwe. I want like Igwe. You don't go get your one.
Don't carry me go.
Where?
You don't carry me go Jesus Christ.
You don't go get a lot of with lateral me shaguma.
I mean, what make you shoot there? I go bring with the head for you. Not the leg shago. You carry me wrong period. You carry me wrong period. You will find a break. Don't take me go. I go find my road to go to my room. I will have a on. On your gas. Oluwa. I'm going to I got to come now. I'm going to my womb. So for fun, I got a womb. Oh, this can't begin where you give me. This can't begin where you give me where they do me penance like this. Begin to go wake up in the morning not to do him papa bad than him. You know go better for you. Even if say go better for you, not more. Not more. Oluwaboy. Asaba moto. Ahom ni le ye choge. Everybody ni kukuna abatim na. Please they enter to my body. What you shall be this man?
God have mercy upon us.
You don't like better things.
Carry me go Igwe.
Aso ni shago kan.
You go carry me go Igwe place.
Shago aso ni kan.